Let's just keep going. This place is dead. I want to cross. Okay, so let's just keep walking. I mean, I can't go into any places, not that I would anyways, but look, it's dead. The best way to experience the falls right now is just drive up, sit in your car, cruise around and go back. Actually, you could get off if you want, but you want to be safe. That's the only way to do it. So okay, so let's keep walking up. I'm gonna stop this for now. Okay, let's keep going. There are only there's nothing to see. It's all dead. How's it going, brother? Okay. Again, I think I've said this a billion times. You will not find this place this dead. Wax Emporium, Movie Land, Travel Lodge. Oh, the famous haunted house right there. Never been. Oh, look at this guy. Well, you're having a good time, buddy, by yourself. Maybe I should be on the other side. Are you recording? Yes, you are. It's sad how this place, it's like a ghost town. Okay, I think I need to take a little break. I feel so tired. Check it out. Okay, I should do the same thing, right? It's dead. Dead. Okay. Well, there's a security here. I don't know if he's gonna allow me, but as you can see, all dead. Nothing's going on in this life anymore. It's all dead. These guys are just sitting in, guarding the place. Things breaking. Parking lot is closed. This again, you know, maybe I can walk around here. Man, normally this place is, it's incredible. I was just telling my kids earlier, some of these, it's like once in a lifetime. Like, when would you ever see this place shut down like this? Like, look, damn, there's nothing going on. Nothing. I will be looking at this 10 years from now and probably laugh that we never got to We even got to witness that town is dead. I'm not even gonna bother to walk around the other side. Gone. Alright, let's cross the street. I know this place is pretty darn busy, even on a cold day like today. Look, dead. Damn, I'm actually scared. Oh, whoa. That's not a real person. No. But geez, I'm gonna stay away from you, scary monster. Look at the racetrack. Coffee shops, street corners. Dead. Well, there are some cars. Okay, I don't even know where to go now. Okay, well, I'm gonna continue my walk further down and then record again.